an ANC person getting killed by ANC people. Sendiso Makaka.
Yeah. Makata, yeah. No, it's fine. It's
apartheid. This kid was killed for standing up against corruption in KZN. I spoke to the killer. I went into prison. Says we were escorted to and from the scene by the South African Police Services.
Sure. This is also in the statements.
I've got the statement. He made the statement to me. So I'm saying to you, this is happening in KZN. This is happening under the watch of the hero cop. And he's doing nothing against it. And then I go into that same Westville prison and I meet, I couldn't sleep for a week. I meet Sergeant Bongi Nkosi Dlamini. Says he was instructed by General Khumalo to go and arrest the mayor of Durban.
Zandile Kumet at the time, right?
100%. He says, I told the general, I will not play politics, I'm a policeman. The general says to him, the minister wants it. Cele. He says, I don't care.
So Cele wanted the old lady to be arrested.